Facebook's parent company Meta just reported earnings. Meta stock moving higher on the instant reaction by a little more than 12.5% right now. Yahoo Finance's Jared Blickery is standing by to break down the numbers. Jared?
Finally, a nice big pop for one of the mega caps here, Facebook. Two key stats. Their monthly active users came in at 2.94 billion. Estimate was for a little bit higher, 2.95 billion, but they beat on daily active users, 1.96 billion versus estimates of 1.94 billion. Also, they are lowering their expense forecast to $87 billion to $92 billion, so not going to be as expensive to run the platform going forward, saying in their earnings report they expect the 2022 expense growth to be driven by the family of apps. So let's drill down some of these numbers you're seeing on your screen there. It was actually a miss on revenue. In fact, it was a miss on quite a few of these numbers. I think we can characterize the report as better than feared. Their advertising revenue was $27 billion. The estimate was for slightly higher, so they missed by about $500 million. First quarter ad impressions, though, that was a big beat, 15%. The estimate was 12.8%. Family of apps revenue, $27.2 billion. Estimate was for $27.5 billion, so slight miss there. Reality Labs, that's only $695 million, part of the cake there, and that did beat the estimate of $677.1 million. And then we can see their guidance. For the second quarter, they're looking at revenue of $28 to $30 billion. The estimate was for higher, $30.74 billion. And I don't have an EPS forecast, but I do have EPS for the reporting quarter. That was a beat at $2.72. The estimate was for $2.56. One final stat here, operating margin, 31%. Estimate was 29.8%, so a beat there. So kind of a mixed report, but I think everybody is focusing on those daily active users and also the fact that they're not going to be burning as much cash on their upgrades to all the app services, at least as not as much as had been thought prior. Guys?